Welcome to Jaybird on Topic Issue 6. Tonight, 3 questions with the hunk. The first question comes from Norway. Mary Andrews is asking, Joey Wright, what is the reason behind this middle-length haircut? Well, I'll answer that, Mary. My hair was, pointed out by Billy Morrison, hiding my Johnson Baby Lotion-like features. So, after running through 130 hairstyles, with my own personal hairstylist, I decided to choose this one, critically approved by Stephen Gately and Johnny Depp. Chris Akabusi was also in attendance to see my hair be chopped down. It was an emotional time. Thanks for calling in, Mary. Our next question is from Zimbabwe, and Gary Abubu was asking me if traffic wardens should be armed. Good question, Gary. This is a topic close to my heart. Traffic wardens on the streets, they're in the chaos. They are in the thin blue line between peace and insanity. They're always watching, they're always waiting. They're the ones who are protecting us from terrorist attacks. Arming a traffic warden will strike fear into the hearts of terrorists, and it will end parking violations forever. Thank you, Gary. Semper Fi. The next question is from the world to Joey Wright. Why, oh why, did I act that way at Bedlington, interfering in the match between Lee Kyle and Billy Morrison? I'll tell you why. Lee Kyle, you remind me exactly of my school bully, Wolfgang Armada. Yeah, he picks on me, you know? And he would always blame it on me. Why? Because I was the school camp? Well, you know what? I'm glad I interfered in that match. Billy Morrison picked up the victory, but yet the fans continuously boo me. I saw it on camera, you cheating in the match. No, the fans don't bring attention to that. But they bring attention to the fact that I run out there and knock you down. Well, you know what, fans? I really don't care. I think you know that by now, you know? So, I'm putting out this challenge to you, Lee Kyle. Any place, any time, anywhere. IWF in Curtis Park. IWF in Castletown. IWF Tournament of Faith 3 in Hedworthfield, Jarrow. I'll take it on any place, Lee. So, that's it for Jaybird on Topic Issue 6. From Joey Wright to the people, I say, screw you!